Hi guys, in this video we're going to see the Raspberry Pi light sensor using a simple LDR or the light dependent resistor. First, we connect the T coupler from the Raspberry Pi to the breadboard. After that, let's put the LDR or the light dependent resistor in the breadboard. Now let's put jumper wire from 3.3 volts to the LDR or the light dependent resistor. Now after that, let's put the capacitor horizontally in the breadboard. After that, let's put a jumper wire from ground to the capacitor's negative side. As you can see, we put another jumper wire to the negative side of capacitor because the first wire cannot reach the negative capacitor. Now let's put the LED in the breadboard. Now let's put another jumper wire from the positive side of the LED to GPIO 21 or any. Now let's put another jumper wire from the GPIO 4 or any to the LDR that inlines with the positive side of the capacitor. Now lastly, let's put another jumper wire from the negative side of LED to the capacitor's negative side. As you can see, if the LDR detects its surrounding in dark mode or dark side, the LED will light up, and if not, the LED will not light up. Now, here's the code in order to accomplish this program. Thanks for watching, guys. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button to be notified.